Hi, my name's Ken Brunsting. I work at the Hull Co-op. I've worked here for about 20 years. This is our Microsystem that we purchased from Sudenga Industries in George. It used to be in the older days we'd have to batch all this stuff on a bin ahead of time, and then if you ran out during the day you were in trouble. And then they came up with this wonderful machine, and I have 18 different bins in here right now, and we can batch on the fly. So as you're making each batch of feed, it will batch anywhere from 1 pound to 40 pounds or whatever you need. There's a scale underneath this thing. When it gets, as it augers it augers it into the scale. When your batch is complete, that scale inverts. It goes into a conveyor which runs over to the mixer, and then you start your next batch. It's a wonderful machine and it works really good. It's made my life a lot easier and I love the thing.
To talk a little bit more about how this process works, let's start from the beginning. Someone will download a batch of a particular type of product from behind a computer screen. Since the computer handles most of the work, we'll then weigh all of the items on separate scales. When the batch is full, the scale inverts, flips it, takes it through a tunnel to a mixer, starts mixing, and then the microsystem starts again. I think Ken is about to fill it again at the end of the day like he talked about earlier. Let's take a look at that. Let's see if we can get a real view of what it's like for Ken behind the computer screen.
Okay, so this is my batching screen here. I have a major scale, a minor scale. Your major scale is your ground corn, distillers, hypro. Your minor scale would be like salt, feeding lime, dical. And then over here it shows all the bins of the microsystem. So as I'm batching each batch, I can just sit here right there. It'll tell me right here which product it's putting in, and then here it'll tell me how much it's needed, where it's at and putting it in, and this is the difference. So I can just watch each one, and as it gets there, I mean, that microsystem is extremely accurate. It gets right to it, and bang, it's right on the numbers where it needs to be. It goes on to the next one, and then you can see here as it dumps, here's the conveyor that takes it over to the mixer, but this is where it all starts right here in the microsystem. So those 18 bins are the ones that I can use right now.
This just goes to show what hardworking and dedicated people can do when they come together to create a product for other hardworking and dedicated people. Thanks, Sudenga. We love your product.